So, which video format or content format should I use to get views and to get subscribers and to get the watch hours that I needed for my monetization? This is what I'm addressing in today's video. So, some people are confused. Should I go for shorts? Should I go for long form videos? Should I do live streaming? So, I'm going to look at the various three formats and see how it goes. Let me start with shorts. Short, what short will do for you? Short will get you to be discovered very fast. It will help you to get your subscribers very fast. It helps, short will give you a lot of people to see your videos. But will it help with your watch hours? So far, you are not yet monetized. Shorts will not be the best that will solve your watch hours problem. So if you are to look for subscribers and you are used for visibility, short is the best way to go because it makes you to be discovered fast. And the thing about it is that the subscribers you get from shorts may not be interested in your long form videos. So it's not for watch hours per se. It's just for easy discovery and easy way for YouTube to push your videos to a lot of people. And for you to be monetized with shorts, you have to have about 10 million shorts views. So it's not for watch hours per se. So, but it can still be used for monetization. Then for long form videos, your long form videos are for connection. It's for it helps for the watch hours if you have loyal fan base. And the truth of the matter is that if your channel, you've based your channel on shorts or on live stream, YouTube will know whether it is for live stream or for shorts. There are channels that are specifically for shorts, and YouTube will most times put those channels on short videos because that's what they mostly do. But you can still combine three of them. You can still combine shorts and long form videos. So long form videos help you for watch hours. But when you're making long form videos, ensure that your titles and your thumbnails are top notch and the descriptions are top notch. Make it searchable. It helps. That's what counts for watch hours. Your shorts views may not really count for your watch hours, but it helps you to be discovered. If you're not discovered, you may not be able to get that watch hours. So what are the things to do when you're making long form videos? Try and make a playlist of similar kind of videos. Probably you're into about one or two three things that are relatively related. You can streamline your videos and create a playlist for it, but it will count for your watch hours. How often should you make long form videos? As often as you can. One daily can work. If you're working on two on different niches, you can make one videos for this, make one for that, but make sure they are related niches. If you notice my channel, they are kind of related. I talk about YouTube monetization, I talk about faith, I talk about a little thing about general things, general stuffs like that. So it counts for watch hours. It counts for watch hours. Then for live stream, your long form videos help people to connect with you. They help people to relate more with you. They can put a face to your to your channel, and that's why when you're making your thumbnail, because they have put a face to your channel, when they see your videos, they'll be able, from the live stream, they really know this person, this is what this person stands for. So, and it also is a boost for your watch hours. It may not really, it can still boost your subscribers, but you can't compare it to the number of subscribers that shorts will give you. So live stream helps so much. Long form videos helps with watch hours, but live streams super wonderful for boosting your watch hours. So what should I do? Should I focus on short? Should I focus on long form video? Should I focus on live stream? My advice: you can decide that this channel is only for short, fine. You can decide that this channel is only for long form videos, fine. This channel is only for live stream, fine. YouTube with time know the one that is best for you. But my own advice for you, if you're starting up, is a little of every one of them in moderation. How will I say it? In moderation. Do shorts, do long form videos, and as much as you can, go live. And see you at the top. See you getting monetized. See you getting your views come as much as you want. God bless you and stay blessed.